Yeah.
Relax down. Your ear drop down. There. Turn on the power. There we go.
Relax right in here for me. Good, very good. All right, Jason, let's have a bit of a cavitation there already. We're gonna get some movement in here. Very good, okay. Let's go in here. So we're gonna start right here. Breathe in for me. And all the way out. Very good, okay. Thoracic, cervical thoracic region movement in here. Very good. Very good. All right. Let me have breathe in and all the way out. Very good. Lay facing the opposite anterior here. Breathe in and all the way out. Very good. Thank you, sir.
There he is. That's a good one. And also, again. One more. I'll wait for your breath here. Good job. Good job. One more. Good job.
Push into these joints, so nice and relaxed. A little bit of a turn here, and just a tiny bit of a push. Okay, perfect. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and again, nice and relaxed for me. Completely relaxed into my hands. And just a little bit of pressure just here. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. And my feet. Okay, and if I can get... Okay, perfect. And onto the nice and relaxed. Again, just a little bit of a push. Okay, lovely. So,
Let your head relax nice and easy.
Rączki trochę do tyłu. Luźno.
Ojej!
Luźno.
Ja usłyszałem coś, a pan... Ojej!
Przyjechać.
Luźniutko, a luźno. Zupełnie luźno.
Teraz działamy na którą?
Teraz na lędźwiową. I na brzuszek proszę się położyć.
よいしょこれでよいしょで顔右向けますはい置きますよはい向けます顔だけ顔右はいそうですねちょっと肩力抜けますから肩力入ってそっちからはい置きますよはいよいしょ
ここね動きねよいしょよいしょ
力抜きますね。今度反対側行きます。顎上げて。
Thanks guys for watching our video and supporting us. It has been a great journey and we promise to keep updating. So if you liked our video, hit the thumbs up, and if you are new, please subscribe and keep updated. So peace till the next time.